so what we'll do is we're going to do two things. This is the next tape. So this is cool reaction part 2. Okay. So what we'll do is we will go over that reaction. So because Wednesday you have the test, and part of that test is on equation writing and stoichiometry, so we're going to do two things. We're going to go over the reaction and look at it in terms of equation writing, and then Mark has, the man from Texas, has some questions relative to stoichiometry, okay? So this is going to be, if I gave this problem to you on a test, it would be, I would give you just the name, sodium carbonate, plus sodium carbonate plus hydrochloric acid. That's coming up, right? Yeah, okay. So, that's what you get. So you get just the names of the reactants. Now, again, you treat it like it's nomenclature, okay? So you write sodium carbonate, plus 1 minus 2, plus HCl. Why is it HCl? Hydro acids are binary. Chlorine, chloro, chloric, chlor, right? Dead giveaway, Cl, minus 1, plus 1. Ellen is just so cool. Like, everybody, like 3 or 4 minutes, watch Ellen. She's like, yeah, it's like, absolutely, like, I know what I'm doing. Like, she's like she's paying attention. She's right there. Okay, she's going, yeah. Okay, excellent. I believe that she's right there. Okay. So now what I want to treat it is I want to use my understanding of types of chemical reactions. Is it single displacement? Single replacement, single replacement, or single displacement? Is it decomposition? Synthesis? Is it double displacement, double replacement, double displacement, same thing, yeah? Okay, so it's A, B, C, D. So it's A, D, C, B, right? So it's going to be sodium and chlorine, right? But you're not going to bring the 2, are you? Because you have plus 1. Now you got to go back to nomenclature. Minus 1. Plus 1, minus 1, right? Plus, right? So far, so good? Yeah? However, the acid, the weak acid, will break down to, spontaneously, break down to water and an acid, starts with an A, and 2 points for the Palestinian team. I like that. Acid anhydride. He did it. Excellent. Kamal, excellent. Well done. Okay. Acid anhydride. Cool or what? Okay. So what is the corresponding acid anhydride to carbonic acid? He's got to look it up. Carbonates. What do you think of? Do you think of, let me think. Let me get this straight. Carbonate, so you're going to think of dinitrogen pentoxide? Carbonate? No. Wouldn't you think of like something with carbon in it? What's carbon and oxygen? What's the first thing you think of? Carbon dioxide? So use a little logic. Jen?
So carbonic acid would just be...
Carbonic acid reduces to water, bless you twice. The third we get the ambulance, okay? So the carbonic acid will spontaneously break down. The weak acid will break down to the corresponding acid anhydride, which is carbon dioxide and water. Okay? You all right with that? Okay. So we'll rewrite this now. So this is going to break down to CO2 plus H2O. So this will be NaCl plus CO2 plus H2O. correct? Are you all right with that? Not terribly neat looking, but can you see it? Can you see it? Yes? Lizzie, get some glasses. Bring your glasses, okay? Okay. So we're going to say what? I have 2 hydrogens, 2 sodiums. I think that's all it is. Is that all it is? No, there's one more thing, right? One more thing. What else do I do? Shall I write that a little neater? Could I have some paper towels? There's some paper towels somewhere. Do we have paper towels there? I think there's some over there. Yes, excellent. Thank you. The Spanish person. I'm being helped by someone from Spain and someone from Ethiopia. I like it. Excellent. Excellent. Only in an international school can I have help from 2 separate nationalities. Okay. And that was spontaneous. You know, the Ethiopian, I must say, the Ethiopian was the first up to get it, okay? The Spaniard was successful, but it was led, is it Mexican? Spanish.
Yeah,
Were you from Spain?
Southern Spain.
Where?
Cadiz.
Oh, I know that, right? Cadiz.
Yeah.
Cadiz, okay. Absolutely. Okay. Okay, so let's rewrite it, shall we? Okay. Is this better? Good? Is that better? Yes?
Yeah.
Masano. Yeah, you can see it? Excellent. So I'm going to put a 2 here. Where am I going to put a 2? Where am I going to put the 2s? Giving you a hint, there's 2s involved. Jen.
In front of the NaCl and HCl.
And that's correct. Yeah. So there's 3 kinds of double displacement, double replacement. There is the basic salt plus a salt yields a salt and a salt. A, B, C, D is AD, CB. Lead nitrate plus sodium iodide yields lead. Lead 2 nitrate plus sodium iodide yields what? Yields lead 2 iodide plus what? Plus sodium nitrate, yeah. And then there's also HCl, hydrochloric acid plus sodium hydroxide yields sodium chloride plus water, that's neutralization. And then this is the third one. Why don't I stop this? I'll make a third one, and the third one will answer Mark's question, the man from Texas, and I will also show you, remember the example I did, the other demo I did one on the lead 2 nitrate plus the sodium iodide yields the lead 2 iodide plus the sodium nitrate, and that was another driving force, the formation of the precipitate, the formation of an insoluble solid that drives the reaction, remember? And I put it in the back and I said it was all orange and yellowish, and I said that it will settle. Well, I'll bring both of those beakers out and I'll show you how they both settled, and they're relatively clear. Understood? And that'll be the third one. So this is whatever. I don't know what I'll name this, but I'll name it something. Okay? Maybe, I don't know, test review number 5. Didn't I do 4? So this is 5, 6, 7. Cool? Are we there? See you later.